Hi, this is Jenny from the Condon. Today I'm going to share with you some information about the mobile thermometry disinfection channel, which plays a very important role in the period of COVID-19. As you can see, this channel, the size is 6 feet long and 4 feet wide and 8 feet high. The main function of this channel is to measure your temperature and disinfect with the automation system. Okay, now follow me and I'll show you how to use it. Firstly, put your face in front of the screen, and within only 1 second, it can measure your temperature. If there is an abnormal temperature, there will be alarms, and the voice announcement can be changed into any other languages if you need it. And please notice that we need a dual sense temperature measurement, so it is very effective to avoid the impact of the high temperature environment, so it can take the temperature of human body more accurately. And here is the hand disinfection machine. You just need to put your hands below this machine, and there will be disinfectant drop on your hands. And you may ask how much disinfectant we can put in this box. Actually, each time we put the disinfectant filled in the box, it is enough for the use of 1,000 people. Okay, then we can walk into the independent disinfection area. As you can see, there is fogged disinfectant from the outlet above your head and under your feet, which means your whole body, including your soles, can be disinfected. And the disinfectant we use is 100 to 400 part per million diluted solution of chloride dioxide and 200 part per million hypochlorous acid. This is a food-grade disinfectant with no harm to human body. Then you may ask me how much disinfectant can we use for an hour. In fact, we put concentration sensor in the independent area. So if the concentration of the fogged disinfectant reaches the set standard, the system will stop transmitting the disinfectant. So only no more than 1 liter of disinfectant will be consumed in an hour. This mobile thermometry disinfection channel was developed exclusively by Condon and has been updated several times to form a complete and very efficient products. So, and it is also a top seller at home and in abroad. So if you need a mobile thermometry disinfection channel, please identify with Condon. Thank you.